When I started my business nearly 5 years ago, I wanted something that was extremely scalable, had amazing profit margins, but I didn't want to hire anybody. My previous business that I had run for 6 years, I grew to 15 employees. We had over 15,000 paying clients. But honestly, managing all those employees, although it was only 15, it was a total headache. It seemed like every month that payroll would increase and the number of problems that I was having to deal with internally with just my employees seemed to be never ending. And honestly, it was not a business that I was truly in love with. So after 6 years, I exited that business. And over the next 6 months, I was trying to really think about the exact business that would be my dream business. I had learned a ton in my previous business. We had a lot of success, but I wanted to eliminate all the things that I absolutely hated and focus only on the things that I truly loved in that business. And that was back in the fall of 2021. And now fast forward 5 years, I feel like I have truly nailed every single thing that I wanted to accomplish with this next business in the last 5 years. So I wanted to shoot this video and kind of break down exactly what this business model is, how you can tap into a very similar type of business model, and how to eliminate a lot of the headache and struggle that comes with being a business owner and an entrepreneur. And the reason why this video is more relevant than literally any other time before is because we have AI and we have AI employees. And what I'm going to be showing you in today's video is leveraging these AI employees to the max. Where I was gone the last 5 days on a vacation for a family reunion, I didn't have to work a single minute of the entire vacation, and my business was still able to run completely without me, netting well over $10,000 a day every single day. So enough of the intro, let's get into this one-person business model. And I want to show you guys, even if you're total beginners and just getting started in the online business world, how this is actually very doable. You don't have to be an AI expert. You don't have to have some crazy tech skills or have some marketing experience or even some large following on social media. So let me jump onto my computer so I can show you exactly how to get started with this business model. Okay, so here's my one-person AI business in a nutshell. What we're gonna do is be working with small local businesses, and I'll show you guys everything here in just a second. We're gonna be offering them a free website plus a simple AI upgrade. Okay, and you might be thinking, well, why a free website? Doesn't everyone have a website? Well, guess what? Crazy enough, I went and did some research for this video, and it showed that 28 to 31% of small local business owners in the United States, which there are tens of millions of small local businesses in the United States, do not have a website. So basically 30% or 1 out of every 3 small businesses still do not have a website, which is absolutely insane. Okay, and then I'm just gonna move my head right here. Then we're gonna charge them anywhere from $300 to $500 per month for the simple AI upgrade. Okay, so let me show you guys exactly how we're going to find these local businesses, leveraging AI employees so you're not having to go through and hire virtual assistants or hire different people to go through and do all the prospecting for you. And this is highly leveraged. And then once we get a prospect saying yes, how to simplify the whole onboarding and support system. Okay, so once I found out that 28 to 31% of small local businesses do not have a website, I went ahead and I built a simple AI app that is going to scrape all of Google Maps for whatever local business industry you want to go through and target. And it's going to find all the businesses in that specific area that do not have a website. It's going to pull their name, contact information, their Google My Business profile, whether they have reviews or not. And then at the same time, it's going to automatically build a website for them that's all customized and tailored to their business. So check this out. Let's say we want to go through and we want to work with plumbers, roofers, electricians, HVAC. Doesn't matter what industry you want to work with, but let's say for this example, we want to work with plumbers. Okay. And then we're going to go through and we're going to type in any city. It doesn't matter. And it doesn't matter if you're in the US or not. This is all synced in with Google Maps. So let's say we're going to do Bentonville, Arkansas, the home of Walmart. And so it syncs right there, pulls it up. We're just going to say find prospects. Then down here, you can see it's scanning all the Google Maps listings. Okay. It's identifying which businesses do not have a website. And then in a matter of seconds, it gives us a full report. And it says it found 17 plumbers in this specific city. and it found 11 that do not have a website. And it's got their names, it's got their phone number, their address, it has their reviews and their average rating, it has their Google My Business profile link, and it built a little demo website right here. So for this, check this out. We got Valley Pro Plumbing, got their phone number, everything right here. Click right here. It already built a website for them with their business name. If we click on this, it's going to call their business because their phone number is completely tied into it. It's got their address. It's got some SEO built into here where it's got Bentonville, Arkansas, the specific city that they're trying to rank for. And so we've got a basic version 1 website that is already done in a matter of seconds, in addition to the list of all these leads that now we can go through and reach out to and contact to offer value before we're even trying to sell them anything. So now that we got a list of all these businesses, the websites are built, we've got everything going on, we're now just going to use a simple script just like this, okay? And no, I'm not trying to sell you the script or anything like that. In fact, if you just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I'll hook you up with my free step-by-step course, all my template scripts, everything 100% for free to model this exact one-person business model that I'm showing you in this video. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is going to be calling all these business owners, and we're going to say, hey, John, whatever the business owner's name is, I was looking for plumbers in Bentonville, Arkansas, or whatever the industry in whatever city, and I found you, but I noticed you don't have a website. So I went ahead and built one for you. Would you like to see it? Okay, and then we just wait, and they might be asking like, oh, who is this? How'd you get my phone number? Blah, blah, blah. And then finally, we're just going to get them to say, yes, I would love to see it. We send them over the website. So like I said, we are leading with value. We're not trying to do some crazy sales pitch right out of the gate, leading with massive value. And then once we get them to say, yes, I would love to have this website, is then later on in the script is where we go and we pitch them on additional AI services upgrade, where we can add a website chat widget to their website. So that now at the bottom right-hand corner, they have the chat widget where we're going to add a conversation AI bot, which if you're like, I don't know how to do any of this, don't worry, I'm going to show you here in just a minute how we can set this all up in less than 20 seconds because I have another AI employee that I built that is an AI onboarding employee that if you're building this one-person business, instead of having to go through and hire contractors and different people to now onboard your clients for you, guess what? I've got an AI employee that does it all in less than 20 seconds. And the best part for you is this is a one-time setup, and then we're leveraging AI automation software to do a majority of the heavy lifting for us on a monthly ongoing basis. So we set it up once, and then like I showed you in the beginning, we're charging $300, $400, even $500 per month per client for this service. Okay, so check this out. So now if we come back over here, we get the Valley Pro Plumbing. We're just going to copy their Google My Business profile link. And their Google My Business profile is basically, if you find them on Google, it's going to have all the information on their business. And that's where we pulled all this information right here. And it might have some reviews and we'll be able to see some different things about that business. So we're going to leverage this information about the business, name, phone number, address, email address, all those things to onboard this client in a matter of seconds once we get that client saying, yes, I'd love the website. And yeah, that really sounds cool to go through and try out this AI automation upgrade. And what I like to do is I like to offer a 7-day free trial so they can experience first and get that value. It's kind of like that take the puppy home trick where it's like you go to the puppy store and you have the puppy and you're like, oh man, I love this. And like, oh, take it home for a week, then bring it back. What happens? They don't want to bring it back. And so they end up keeping the puppy and they buy it. And it's the same thing with this AI business model. So now that we got the Google My Business profile link copied, we're going to come over here to this AI onboarding employee that I put together for you, which once again, I'm not trying to sell you on this because it's actually not even a product you can buy. It's just inside of my free course. We're just going to paste this right here. You're going to scan the business profile. It found the business profile right here, and we're just going to click on Onboard Client, and it's now going to create a CRM sub-account inside of our white label software, which I'll show you guys here in just a second. Import the business profile, adding AI chat widgets, voice AI receptionist, missed call text back, appointment calendars, review automation, setting up the lead pipeline, the follow-up sequence, everything, unified inbox, running final diagnostics. Check this out, guys. Everything completed in 18 seconds. That's easy enough, right? I mean, if you were to go through, start this business from complete scratch, even as a one-person business model, as a total beginner, I think you could go through and find clients exactly how I showed you, using these simple AI employees, reach out to these businesses with a simple script. And guess what? I have an AI prospecting employee that is completely trained on the script and on the offer. And so if the conversation gets taken to text message, which a lot of times it does, the AI employee can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you, which is absolutely insane. So in 18 seconds, check out all the things that we just created. A website, voice AI receptionist, AI chat widget, missed call text back, as much as $2,800 in value in 18 seconds. And now you can turn around and charge $300, $400, even $500 per month per client. Okay. Now I'll let you do the math here. And obviously no result or income is ever guaranteed. But think about if you got 5 clients or 10 clients or even got up to 50 clients. And the best part about it is it's all monthly recurring revenue. We are selling recurring revenue subscriptions to this simple AI automation setup. So now at the beginning of every single month, you're not starting over at zero. The goal is to get this compounding, okay? And we're charging a price point these small businesses can actually afford, and we're not trying to nickel and dime them for everything that they're worth. And because we're able to create $2,800 in value for $300 per month with something that we set up with simple AI employees, which is not taking hours and hours of our time every single week or every single month, this model is very scalable. And I hope you can see how with a similar model, I've been able to scale my business to well over $10,000 every single day, even while I'm on vacation with my family for 5 days. And obviously, my results are not typical. There's no income guarantees here, but I hope you can see this simple one-person business model and how straightforward this actually is. And now that we've got this all set up, we can open up this client dashboard in this white labeled AI software that I actually have a link down below. There's an extended 30-day free trial to this AI software. Normally it's 14-day free trial. There's an extended 30-day free trial. Plus right now they're offering free AI all summer long, which is super cool. And this is the only software I personally use in my one-person business. And the thing I love about this software is that you can white label it, meaning you could put your own logo on it. You can connect your own domain and your own payment processor. And so when you charge $300, $400, $500, whatever price point you want, you keep 100% of the money that you are collecting. There's no commission splits or anything like that. And the cool thing is you can bring on unlimited clients with this software, and every additional client doesn't cost you anything extra. And yes, if you do sign up with the link down in the description or inside of my free course, I will get a little bit of a kickback from the software. It will cost you nothing extra, but I'll get a little bit of a kickback. And that's why I'm able to offer all of these apps and AI employees and templates and scripts and courses 100% for free, because your success is my success. I would only ever make money if you actually stay on and it's actually working for you and you want to keep running this business model. So I like to be as transparent as possible so you guys can know everything that you're getting into. And the cool thing for you is I don't have some like $5,000 or $10,000 high ticket coaching program to then go sell you on the back end after you sign up for the software and get you into this never ending loop of a sales cycle, because that would go against everything that I'm talking about in this video about a one-person business model. And I don't know about you, but I like to have a really nice lifestyle business where I can enjoy time with my family and friends, go on vacations, and not have to worry about all my employees like I did my previous business, or worry about making payroll, or worrying about, okay, is this employee going to actually set up this client because the last client was complaining about them and they didn't do that great of a job and there was some miscommunication, so now I got to go train them more, but now is this next client going to have similar problems? You just don't want any of that. And that's why I love this business model, because we're leveraging AI employees where there's not any of the struggles or the headaches that you get with typical employees. So there you have it. That is the whole one-person business model simplified. I showed you how to get clients completely for free, even if you're a total beginner. I showed you how to onboard those clients. And then the best part of this whole business model is it's all centered around an AI automation software that's already pre-built, that's already proven to get results for these small local businesses. And then the core of everything is this recurring revenue subscription model. That way, if we make a sale this month, next month, we don't have to start over from zero. If we do a good job at onboarding and fulfilling for this client, which the AI employees ensure that we do a great job, then we're not starting at zero, but we can just compound each month and bring on more clients. Now, obviously, people will cancel eventually. There will be churn. That is just part of any business, even the best businesses out there. However, this whole model, this whole structure is something that I have been doing for the last 5 years, and I absolutely love it. So anyway, if you guys want my full step-by-step course, templates, scripts, everything, make sure you just smash the like button, drop a comment down below. Consider sharing this video with a friend that might also find it valuable, and I'll hook you up in return with the full course, templates, scripts, everything that I showed you in this video, how to get access to those AI employees to find the clients, onboard the clients, and even an extended 30-day free trial to this software that you can white label, resell as your own, and you get free AI from now until the end of the summer. So with that said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.